Are you looking for a brand new home that's move-in ready to use this season? Then allow me to show you Unit 916 here at prestigious Heritage Landing Golf and Country Club, where golf membership is included in the purchase of this home. Say hello to luxury living with this exquisite 2-bedroom plus den, 2-bath luxury veranda complete with a 1-car garage, perfect to store your personal golf cart. Step inside and you'll immediately feel at home. Imagine yourself entertaining your guests in this stunning open living area overlooking the gorgeous lake view. The light and open layout paired with stunning decor and perfect touches throughout create a warm and welcoming atmosphere. Upgraded lighting and ceiling fans add an extra layer of elegance to this already spectacular home. And if that's not enough, imagine starting your day with this breathtaking lake view from your back lanai. It's the perfect spot to relax and unwind. But that's not all. Your new home comes with access to a world of amenities right at your fingertips. Enjoy the 18-hole Gordon Lewis Championship Golf Course, practice your swing at the Aqua Driving Range, or perfect your putt on the putting green. And don't forget the Pro Shop for all of your golfing needs. Indulge in luxury with our resort-style pool and lap lanes, outdoor pool cafe, state-of-the-art fitness center, and rejuvenating spa. And with 24/7 guard-gated entry, you can live with peace of mind. The fun doesn't stop there. Get active with our tennis courts, pickleball courts, and even bocce courts, all included in your membership. So call or text me today to schedule your personal or virtual tour, and don't forget to always ask for Alisa.